Hi everyone, Angela here. We are going to talk a little bit about one of my new philodendrons. This is the McColley's finale, and I just want to give you guys a little bit of insight about the plant to help you have one that thrives as beautifully as mine is. All right, here we go. Okay, so I got this plant off of a plant purge group on Facebook, and it came, we'll say, nicely damaged, but it is doing really well. I had to figure it out for a little bit. I put it immediately under a grow light, gave it a nice good drink of water, and then kind of just let it go. For I want to say like 4 to 6 weeks, I pretty much just kind of did a little bit of loving, and then I moved it away from the grow light into my bedroom that has quite a bit of natural sunlight. And then I noticed it had a new leaf that was starting to open, and so I brought it back to the grow light. So I'm definitely giving it a little extra TLC, but I want it to be beautiful and to really thrive here. So what I love about this philodendron is that it has just these beautiful, they're dusty, because I haven't dusted, but they have this beautiful, just rich green color. And then the new leaves that come out are just this bright, vibrant, kind of like a pink belly, or like underbelly, and then the top of the leaf is like, I don't know, just this beautiful red that fades to brown and then green. So you can see, this is the leaf that had just opened when I purchased the plant, like right when it arrived at my house. And it was bent because it was so fragile for being new, and it like crisped up and I had to rip it off. So that was really sad that the brand new leaf that came with this gorgeous plant was damaged. But anyways, I've grown a new one, and I have another one starting here. So if you can see that there, right there. So it's coming along. It's doing really well. This is like a 4-inch pot, and the plant is thriving. So I use Super Thrive, which is a vitamin and like kelp liquid additive that I do with all of my plants when I water every time. I water this guy, I'm gonna say about every 10 days, probably because I don't get to it every weekend, and then I'm like, oh, Tuesday, Wednesday, I need to water you. So it doesn't get super consistent watering. It's in pretty good draining soil. I live in a really humid environment, and I'm not great about consistent watering, so all of my plants are on the verge of death, but they still sprout new leaves through me and they still love me. So you know, whatever works for you, right? But yeah, I just wanted to show this with you guys. So we covered light with it. We've talked about watering, a little bit of fertilizing. I don't use any other fertilizers on my plants. Sometimes I put in some Epsom salt to help with the magnesium level with my plants, and that just goes right in the water, and then I water into the soil. So this guy's gonna get a bath today. I'm gonna clean up the leaves so that it can do its, you know, photosynthesis thing better. But anyways, I just wanted to show this with you guys, so I hope you have an awesome day. If you have any questions about this beautiful baby, it's McColley's finale. If you have any questions, drop them below, and I'll definitely reach out and see if I can help, okay? Have a great day. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.